Yo, what's up, fam? This is your super host, Wiki Mziki. It's a new day in the farm. It's around 12 noon. And you can see the birds are just relaxed, feeding, just taking their time. And today I want to take you through something new. I want to teach you something about this. This is the watering for your birds. They need water throughout. So in my place, I have two types or two ways of supplying my birds with water. I have this drinker, which is a manual, and an automated one, but currently the automated ones are not in use because I'm giving my birds some vitamin supplement. Yeah, because they have just recovered from some kind of an illness. So, just like I have told you, I have two ways on how I can supply my birds with water. The first one is the automated water. The water comes in through that green pipe. As you can see. And here, this is the place where the automated drinkers are connected. They go that way, boom, to the drink. Also this one, that way. Straight to the drinker. The automated system makes your work a bit easy because you don't need time to come refilling your drinkers with water manually when this occurs. You can see this one is very dry with no water at all. But also right up close, this one has water. So at any given time, your drinkers are supposed to be filled with adequate water supply, because as I told you earlier, my birds are layers, and an egg is made up of 70% water. My birds currently are consuming between 220 liters, between 200 and 260 liters in a day. For your birds to be happy, healthy, and more productive, water is another very vital component. So make sure every time your birds have enough water, and not at any given time will they be lacking water. They are not supposed to be missing water. Water is very important.